How does light help us see? So light travels as waves and doesn't actually need particles to travel through, so can travel through a completely airless space. This is what we call a vacuum. So light waves are also commonly referred to as light beams or beams of light or rays of light. So light waves travel out from sources of light in straight lines, so you're always going to be needing to use your ruler when you're drawing light waves. So they travel out in straight lines, then they hit the objects around us. The rays of light don't stop when they reach an object. They reflect or bounce off an object and then travel into our eyes. This reflection of light is what allows us to see the object. And when we're thinking about how light travels through the air, it travels about 1,000,000 times faster than sound. So that's why you'll always see lightning before you hear the thunder.